முழங்கே. மனசு ஃபுல்லா உன் மேலதான், திருந்தி போன ஒன்னாலதான், திரியிற உன் பின்னாலதான், ஓகே சொல்ல கண்ணாலதான், புதுசா பிறந்த ஃபீலிங்குமா, சிரிச்சா ஹார்ட் ஹீலிங்குமா, கனகா லவ் காலிங்குமா, என்ன லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட்ல டீலிங் பண்ணாதம்மா.
That's why, for good saving, so almost all the bachelors means family are in the country. People are here working, saving little, and sending back to country so that at least the family member are having something, right? Same job. If the people do in their country, they will not get that package. Here, after leaving, after accommodation, after like the rain, at least they can save good little. And earning are different, sir, different category. They don't have fixed salary. Okay, if you talk about the construction working people who are working in the construction site, 800 to 1000 per month. So they are having accommodation. Okay, because that is only skilled manpower. Okay, labor means you know the labor. Okay, so they belongs to one skilled manpower. Hardly they are having 800, 1000, but they will provide the accommodation. Yes. Yes. Okay, no. So whatever like the job category,